Hi, Geronimo. Good morning. Today we're going to be reviewing your IEP goal number 1. So today we're going to be working on IEP goal number 1 and number 2 only. So for IEP goal number 1, it is telling us that you are going to identify the function of 7 common objects, which is the remote, the chair, the hat, the book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste. So let's go ahead and review. So a remote. What do you use a remote for? So a remote is used to change the TV channel. What about a chair? A chair, you use it to sit, like me, like I'm sitting right now. I am sitting on a chair. What about a hat? A hat, you put it on. You wear it on your head. A book, you use a book to read. So you use a book to read. What about shampoo? When you use shampoo, you put it on your hair and you wash your hair super good. So whenever you're in the shower, mommy says, Geronimo, put shampoo on. So you put shampoo and you scrub. What about a pencil? So a pencil you use to write. So with the pencil, you are going to be writing. What about a toothbrush? A toothbrush, you brush your teeth. So with the toothbrush, you are going to brush your teeth. What about toothpaste? Toothpaste, you put it on the toothbrush, then you brush your teeth. So with toothpaste, you put it on your toothbrush. That's so that your breath can smell pretty. So let's review, Geronimo. What is a remote used for? Is it for a TV? Or is it for to sleep? Great job. It is for TV, to change the channel. What about a chair? What do you use the chair for? Do you use it to sit or do you use it to lay down? Great job. You use it to sit. What about a hat? What do you use a hat for? Do you use it on your dog or do you use it on your head? Where do you use the hat? Great job. You put it on your head. What about a book? What do you do with the book? Do you throw it? Are you supposed to throw it? Or are you going to read? Yes, you read. Good job. What about shampoo? Do you use shampoo for your teeth or for your head? For your head. Awesome. What about a pencil? Do you use a pencil to write or do you use a pencil to eat? No, you use a pencil to write. Good job. What about a toothbrush? Do you use the toothbrush for your hair or for your teeth? Your teeth. Great job. And what about the toothpaste? Do you put toothpaste on your hair or do you put toothpaste on your toothbrush? On your toothbrush. Great job. So Geronimo, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be working on the same assignment, similar assignment as last time, where it's going to ask you what is the television remote for, and then you are going to choose your best answer. So you're going to be doing that all the way up until question 8. Once you are done, submit a picture so that I can submit a grade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Good luck. All right, Geronimo, so now we're going to go and do goal number 2. So we're doing goal number 2. So here we are going to be a choice of up to 6 pictures of clothes and transportation. You are going to tell me about these pictures, Geronimo. So I want you to tell me what is clothing and what is transportation. So let's review. Geronimo, is a shirt clothing or is it a transportation? So which one is it? Is it clothing or transportation? Great job. So a shirt would be part of clothing. What about a sock? A sock, you put it on your foot. Do you put that on your foot or you put it on a car? On your foot. Great job. So that would be part of your clothing. You also have shoes. So when you go outside to go run, you put on your shoes. So would that be transportation or would that be part of your clothes? It's part of your clothing because when you get dressed, your shoes are part of your clothing. So great job, Geronimo. What about transportation? What has wheels? Let's think. What has wheels? I think a bike has wheels, a car, a truck, a wheelbarrow, a scooter, a skateboard. There's a lot of stuff that has wheels. So, with that being said, I want you to go ahead and work on your following worksheet. It is similar as the last one. You are going to be identifying and circling all the objects that have wheels. Remember, wheels, they're like tires, and we went over that. It is trucks, wheelbarrows, scooters, bikes, skateboards. There's a lot of things that have wheels. Wheels help you move in a car or on a bike. And then you are going to circle objects of clothing. So remember, clothing can be your shirt, your sock when you put on your shoes, all of that. So you're going to circle everything that is clothing. Once you are done, take a picture and we will submit it for a grade. Good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know.